There's Canada. You ought to see the clouds of weed smoke coming up over the hills over there. Damn dirty hippies. Well. Well, welcome back to the Tradesman channel, where we have brought you such interesting titles as Help My Dog's a Transvestite and I Can't Figure Out What to Do About It. Just joking, but feel free to peruse the titles, and if you can find it on this channel, I'd be happy to see it. So anyway, what we have before us tonight, we've been working on this countertop for the cabinet. So what I ended up doing is, now there's a couple footage in between here, so we're doing the intro a day later, but you know, it's the way we do it. So anyway, what I have here, we've got black cherry, black walnut, elm, black walnut, black cherry, black walnut, elm, black walnut, cherry. I love the contrast of the elm and the black cherry, but it was just missing something, so I decided we're going to throw a little bit of elm in there and see what happens. So that's where we're at. That's what we're working on. Stay tuned. I'll catch you on the other side of it. Where the hell is my dust mask? I just had the damn thing in my hand. I know I'm jumping the gun a little bit here. I don't even have the bottom side worked, but to be honest with you, I just had to see it. I was dying to see it because you never, tell you what, you never really know until you get the finish on it. A lot of this gets sanded down. My first coat, I really sanded down. I'll sand it down. We sanded it down. We started with 80 grit to 120 to 220 or 240. I can't remember which it is. After that, we are going to go to, we'll do another 220 grit sanding on top of this. We'll coat it again. Another 220. We'll coat it again, and then we will use steel wool for the final sanding. I'm pretty happy with it. That elm and the cherry and all that, it never shows up quite right with the camera light, but I tell you what, I'll take it. I'll take it all day long. So we have to work our edge yet. We have to do the underside. Still quite a bit of work left to do on this, but you guys get the idea where we're going with it by now, I think. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.